Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials and launching account recovery now. First, open Settings or System Preferences and tap your Apple ID area. If you can't sign in, choose Forgot Apple ID or Password. Enter the email you think is linked or use the Find Apple ID option and the trusted phone number. Once done, Apple will prompt verification via a trusted device or recovery email. Make sure to follow on-screen codes promptly because they expire quickly and stop retries. Next, proceed with account recovery to reset access when two-factor or password resets don't work. Tap Start Account Recovery and enter a contact number where Apple can reach you. This begins the automated verification process. Explain that Apple may ask for purchase receipts or device serials to speed verification, so have them ready. Once submitted, you'll receive status updates and an estimated wait time. Track those messages and don't cancel the request unless you have new verification information to provide. Finally, when Apple approves recovery, follow the link or code to set a new password and review security settings. You'll be asked to sign in on devices and may need to re-enter app passwords. Do that methodically. Once signed in, immediately update your trusted phone number, recovery email, and re-enable two-factor authentication for safety. If the process stalls, escalate to Apple support with proof of purchase and device serials. This speeds manual verification and prevents repeated wait cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.